Every great landscape starts with a vision. But to design with purpose, you must master the classic exploring the 12 essential garden styles every designer must know. First, defined by strict symmetry, clean axial lines and geometric texture, where every hedge is perfectly manicured. Second, the informal garden. Here, strict lines disappear to create a flowing, romantic landscape that feels effortlessly grown. Third, the English landscape garden. Pioneered in the 18th century, this style rejects formal geometry to create an idealized, picturesque version of nature. Fourth, the Italian garden. Designed on steep hillsides, these gardens rely on dramatic stone terracing to connect the villa to the wider landscape. Fifth, the wild garden. This ecological approach celebrates biodiversity by using native wildflowers and grasses. Sixth, the woodland garden. Designed to mimic the forest floor, rich organic mulches, and soft, natural transitions. Seventh, the patio garden. Focused on small-scale urban living planting, turning tight outdoor spaces into functional, stylish rooms. Eighth, the split-level garden, perfect for sloped terrains and terraces, to divide a challenging incline into distinct, highly functional outdoor zones. Ninth, the low-maintenance garden. Designed for modern lifestyles, this style swaps thirsty lawns plants that look stunning year-round with minimal effort. 10th, the rose garden, a sensory masterpiece. This style focuses heavily on a single plant family, using structured arbors, fragrant blooms. 11th, the terrace garden. Built on roofs or balconies, wind mitigation and container collection to create a private oasis high above the city. 12th, the sunken garden. By dropping the designers create a unique microclimate, enhanced acoustic insulation and discovery within the landscape. Whether you design for grand estates or tiny urban balconies, mastering these 12 styles below. And don't forget to subscribe for landscape design masterclasses. See you next time.